I'm gonna need you to drive me to my prenatals, and I'm gonna need you to drive me to work for a bit until I can get a new car. I'm almost there. Like, I've been looking. What happened to Brian? I thought he was driving you everywhere. Brian was only driving me to and from work. I was Ubering to my prenatals, but I figure that money can go to a car. Okay, well, I'm sorry to hear that, but I'm not gonna be able to drive you. Mom, why? I know you're on vacation for a few weeks. Because again, you're so fixated on working while you're pregnant, and this is all you're thinking about when, again, you're pregnant, and shouldn't you be worrying about going to family court and getting Junior back? That should be your first priority. I know, I have to go to family court. I'm aware. These are things that I'm thinking about, but I have to keep my job. You said you were gonna go to family court the other day. What happened? I know I did, but... But what? You wouldn't understand if I told you why I didn't go, so I'm just not gonna say it. Okay, fine, I'm not forcing things out of you, but do you just not care about getting Junior back? I resent when people say that, Mom. Well, from an outsider's perspective, what are we supposed to think? It kind of just seems like he's laundry that you're eventually gonna get to. Because it's not true. You don't think that I want Junior home with me? You don't think I think about him 24/7? But what am I supposed to do? Throw myself a pity party? Complain all day? Well, that's why, Miranda. That's why family court is there. That's why there's a system for this. So that you can get him back and stop hating your life. God, Mom, you act like going to family court. Okay, here I am. I need my son back. Okay, here he is. It doesn't work like that. It takes time, and I get that the process may be long and it sucks, but that's the hand you're dealt right now. You have to deal with it to get him back. I just don't understand why you're not going. Mom, lately, everything I tell you, what I'm feeling, you disregard it. You don't understand anything I feel. You take me disagreeing with you as me dismissing your feelings. That's not it. We can disagree on things. Okay, well, then this is just something that you and me disagree with, and forget it. You don't have to drive me. I'm sorry I asked. Frankly, Miranda, I just think you're being lazy. I'm being lazy? I was willing to work full-time with Junior at home with me while Please leave. I'm scared Joey's gonna win custody, and that's why I don't want to go to family court, because I'm scared of losing. I'm also afraid that when I go to family court, they're gonna take my paperwork, this and that, and then they're gonna give me another date, and that date is gonna be like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and then in my head I know, okay, now I'm guaranteed 3 weeks without Junior. And then there's just me being worried that I'm going to focus too much on the family court case and not focus on my own health with work and my pregnancy, and then something's gonna happen in my pregnancy. These are things my mom doesn't understand.
You should just forget family court altogether. Who knows how long that's gonna take. You should just take Junior back yourself. Take him from Joey.
I'm not the type of person to go and break into a house and steal my son or fight my ex-husband, especially while I'm pregnant. I know that's how you would have handled things back in the day, but I'm not built like that.
I get that. And this may be surprising to hear, but you know who would take Junior from Joey for you? Your mother-in-law's boyfriend. He'd take him by force.
I'll think about it. But I did come here for something else.
And what's that?
You said I could always ask you for money and you'll take care of things, and I really didn't want to, but I need a car.
I'll get you a car, no problem. I can even have it to you today. Under one condition.
And what's the condition?
You have to make a decision whether you're gonna go to family court or take Junior by force.
Okay.